Okay, my name is Muhammad Irfan. Now I will present about my assessment. Okay, the first problem. The problem. Board of detector human fatty at a construction site is a silent killer that a traditional monitoring misses. For the solution, out a safety sentinel. Use a sensor function LIDAR and thermal camera to predict operator risk. By cleaning corporated field data, we achieve a high reliability accuracy of the 95%. For the action logic, uh, the agent use a dual threshold logic, issuing warning at 400 milliseconds of fatigue and the triggering missing stop to drone or drone auto landing at 1600 millisecond. The last part close the sentinel is a reliability active field safe FTK. Corporation need to ensure zero accident. That's all from me. Thank you.